How to set out of office reply for Hotmail or Outlook in Samsung email on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by tapping on the home button at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen or in the apps screen, open up the email app. Then tap on the menu button. And from here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we go down and tap on your Outlook or Hotmail account. Now scroll down and then tap on Out of Office Reply. At the top here, tap on the toggle button to turn it on or switch it off. So let's turn it on, and then you can also set a time period. So tap on the toggle button, Out of Office period. And let's say if you are gone away for 2 weeks, so you can set the start date in time, and you can also set the end date in time. So here I will set it to the 4th and then done. So I'll be away for 2 weeks. And then we go down to the message section. In here, you can set your own custom message. This is the default. I'm out of office for the next 2 days. I'm going to replace that with 2 weeks. Now again, you can set your own custom message. In here, you can choose to turn on or turn off send out of office replies to external senders. Or if you switch it off, it will not automatically reply to external senders. Now we scroll down, and here it said I'm out of office for the next 2 days, so 2 weeks for external senders. And then finally, the last option is send reply only to senders in contacts. So you can turn it on if you want to have your account automatically replied only to senders in contacts. And then tap on done. And that's it. So we have successfully set up your out of office replied. And from now on into the next 2 weeks, your phone will automatically replied with a message out of office. And finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.